Good morning, everybody. It's the Dirt Daddy on YouTube. Joseph's prepping a driveway. We fixing to lay the black down. He's done a pretty good job. He's about got it cut in. He's got to finish this side. That one load we gonna back in over here where he's already got. He'll do this while I'm gone for the next load. We done that driveway right over there probably a year ago. Their neighbor said, look, I want me a driveway like that. And they said, well, call it Dirt Daddy. I'm gonna walk you over and show you, but seriously, we done this driveway. It's been about a year, I would imagine. Now, it took a little material. I think we put 5 loads on this one, but that's it. It's cover leaves goes out, goes down. Hillside too, you see that stuff held real well, and maybe this one will hold as well as that one, and we'll be in good shape. All right, come on, let's go. Them limbs gonna knock y'all off. We on this hillside. Old truck's loaded, heavy, leaning. You gotta watch it, you'll lose it. All right, let's see what we can do. You really have to be careful dumping on a hillside. It can make for a bad day. work. I think he'll be good there. He's going to have to stay up on this material. Push that out. All right, I'm gonna go. What's the deal on the rock?
There's a water box up there. That second creek.
Go that way and back out.
Call the guy, see if he's ready for it yet.
Can.
What you gonna go to?
I'll go dump this, go get rock, then I can get this later.
Greg?
Yeah, I can reload, dump it in the pile, just get a load.
Let me call him.
All right. Laying the black down. Driveway with Joseph, 2 loads. I brought a load of rock, 57, way up that hill, and I spread it a while ago, and I forgot to tag y'all along. But anyway, I'm gonna put y'all on here this time. I want y'all to watch this. We're gonna lay the gray down this time. Come on, let's go. scratched y'all up, didn't I? That's about 300 feet. 1, 2, that's an easy 300 feet. I mean, we didn't do the, I hauled 2 loads of dirt in here yesterday evening, big loads, and dumped them there. That's all I wanted. Then I hauled 2 loads of rock today. Hey, we done our job. We didn't do the base. Big buck run across right there, didn't he? Come out them woods. But anyway, y'all saw Craig Cole call. He's needing a load of millings over in Crestview High School. So that's where we got to go now. Y'all want to ride with me? It's gonna take us a while. It'll be, let's see what time it is. It's gonna take us, it's gonna be more than 2 hours. We might get it done in 2 hours. 3 o'clock, we lucky we get home by 5. No way, we 30 minutes from the house before we can get loaded. Whatever, it'll be what it'll be, but we're gonna go to Crestview with a load of millings like we took Joseph 2 loads of this morning. That'll be 5 loads today. 3 loads of millings, 2 loads of 57s gone. Not a bad day. All right, come on, y'all ride with me. I need somebody. I get lonesome by myself. All right, folks, I didn't put y'all on there, but I doggone brought old Craig Cole a load of millings, and we heading home. Tell him hey. That's Craig Cole, y'all. Good friend of ours. We love him to death. Him, his wife, and youngin'. Just good people. The Lord put us together and we know it. All right, let's go home. Let's carry to the feel good.